institutions anchored on unity, mutual support, and the enduring commitment of every Lakan to strengthen our organization, not only in our individual duties, but in our identity as one brotherhood in service.
As your regional director and as a senior Lakan, it is both an honor and a responsibility to join you today for the blessing and inauguration of the Lakan Transient. This project reflects the shared vision of the PNP AI Lakan Mimaropa chapter to strengthen solidarity, professional support, and collective responsibility. That all police regional offices have a facility like this, making this both noteworthy and strategically significant. This facility stands as a product of unity and shared commitment. More than just as a structure, the Lakan Transient provides a conducive space for accommodation, strengthens camaraderie, and reinforces our bond as Lakans. This moment inspires us not just to build structures, but to build lives worth following. Not just to lead positions, but to lead with purpose, and not just to serve today, but to shape a future that we call all be proud of. And that future begins with us, begins today, begins here.